the second, the third, the fourth, then check sixth. Back. 去 braid pins, hook 9 short pins. So let's back up here. 1 or 2. Pick a half stitch from here. Lower stitch, hook short stitch. This is a short needle. Then take down. Choose short needles. There are 9 short stitches. After 9 short stitches, let's hook another standing pin. It's the same hook as the braid pin. Then go back and hook 9 short needles. Now it's just the eye of a needle. A whole eye of a needle came through. The 9 short stitches in the second row are finished. We'll hook another standing pin. In turn, the third line is also hooked with 9 short stitches. Line 3 is finished. Unhook a standing pin. The fourth row is 3 short stitches. We turn around and hook 3 short pins. The fourth line is finished. Hook a standing pin. Conversely, the fourth row is 3 short stitches. Add for more braid pins. We'll start with 3 short stitches. After 3 short hooks, we'll hook for more braids. Reverse after the 4 braid pins are hooked. Go around and reverse, so pick again. Go back a times and hook 6 short pins. This is a This is 2. The second eye is half out here. Hook the first short stitch. Pick after it. After half stitch the second short stitch. Keep making 6 short stitches. This is the whole eye of a needle. This line is finished. Hook a standing pin. Reverse hook. Row 7 is 6 short stitches. Line 7 is finished. Hook a standing pin. Conversely, row 8 has 3 short stitches. Line 8 is finished, and hook a standing pin. Conversely, row 9 has 3 short stitches. The 9th piece of fun. Tie the long line. You can sew it later. Sew the 2 pieces together. Then disconnect. Hook 1 more piece. And then we'll sew it up again. Now let's stitch these 2 pieces together. This is what happens when you sew it. After we've woven the pieces together, then we put them together. The ears are sewn directly above the 4th and 5th turns. And stitched above lap 10 through 12. We can also sew it in on our 10th and 11th laps. For the top of lap 11 and 12, it's all okay. And then what about our legs? Stitch over the 3rd and 4th laps from the bottom. This is our penultimate lap in the middle. This is our penultimate lap, penultimate lap, penultimate lap. Leg and can be stitched on the penultimate lap. And the 4th lap from the bottom. Eyes were stuck between laps 9 and 10. This distance between the eye and the eye is 8 stitches. That's where the center of the eye is. Needle into the center of the side. 38 needle waters. After the eyes are glued, sew one on his bottom left and right. Make a separate button. Let's take a look. One way we sew, then the rest of my place is sewn on. I didn't sew this on properly, so let's take a look. One way we sew. First we can find our pin. Secure one of our arms and legs, and a place for the ears. Once it's fixed, let's see if there are any questions. We're ready to start stitching. And the way we closed it, that is, we thread it directly into our needles. Pull it out from the next place. After I put it on, we can get rid of the suture holding pin. And then we go inside this arm, into one of his needles. So you can thread it into his eye and pull it tight. After tension, we'll hold that position with our hands. And hand that holds the arm in place. Then we go straight into the next stitch. Do the same to this needle in the arm. Tie. We can put the needle right through here. Come out from above. We also need to thread it into the needle. We come out of his bottom left corner this time. We also need to thread it into the appropriate needle.